Welcome back sa aking channel mga lods. Bago tayo magsimula, kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, pakipindot ang subscribe button and i-click ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong video. For today's video, mag-drive-thru tayo ngayon sa isang branch ng Dunkin Donuts dito sa may kahabaan ng Bacau, Cavite. The drive-thru service at Dunkin Donuts in the Philippines has helped enhance accessibility, efficiency, and customer satisfaction, allowing individuals to enjoy their favorite coffee, donuts, and other treats conveniently and on their own terms. Okay at convenient yung mga ganitong store, na di mo na kailangang bumaba at pumila para bumili. Kaya for me, good job ka Dunkin Donuts. Konting kaalaman, alam nyo ba na ang kauna-unahang Dunkin Donuts na may alfresco deck ay nabuksan noong January 30, 2021 sa Tomas Morato, Quezon City? And another trivia, the first Dunkin Donuts store in the Philippines opened in 1981, marking the introduction of the brand to the Filipino market. The initial Dunkin Donuts store in the Philippines opened in Cubao, Quezon City. Ahem, baka naman Dunkin. At ayun lang mga lods, bye-bye. Salamat sa pagsubaybay.